Hey everybody, what's going on today? Hope everyone is staying safe. It's a pretty scary feeling if you've never been through anything, even if you have been through it. From what I've heard from a lot of my friends that stayed in Florida prior to this hurricane, they have had a lot of direct hits. And from my understanding, this one that's coming through today, through Tampa, has been like 100 years before this had happened. So, and this is one of the strongest hurricanes. So it's a pretty scary feeling. So you can see right now that it's raining and things like that out here in Florida, and getting kind of windy from the area that we're in. We are located in Central Florida. So it will be, unless some things change, as we know that they can, coming through the Tampa area, and looks like it's gonna have a direct impact on Central Florida.
I know bad weather when I see it. And we're about to have some bad weather. My knee and my back start to ache up whenever it's about to rain, and that's what's happening right now. I'm getting ached up. I could smell it, and I could taste it too.
Starting to get really windy out here, guys. Guys, we went outside and look at my hair. Whew. This is slippery right here. Guys, we have to move the car up some. Not that I think. It's pretty windy. I think I'm gonna put it like everybody else is parking their car to the side. So we parked the car closer to here, so hopefully it won't get any, real wind effect. Not really sure, but tried to do the best we could, but this wind out here is ferocious.
Later that same evening.
We are preparing the closet area just in case, guys, we have to put the kids in here and things like that. Then we have the closet over here, which I would kind of like to move out some of these boxes, but I think we've stacked shoes and things like that, guys. So we'll see how this goes tonight, just in case we get a tornado warning. Really, boys? Really? Why are you rocking back and forth? Hey guys, it's gonna be a really, really long night. We will probably be up most of the night. The kids will probably be a little afraid. The animals, the pets will probably be afraid. What do you think, Bella? Are you gonna be afraid? No. Are you gonna be afraid, Bella? No? So yeah, guys, hope everybody stays safe tonight. Prince Harry is definitely a scary cat. I'm not sure where he is. Is Prince Harold in here? No. Prince Harold? He's definitely a scary cat, so. So Stay tuned, guys, for more to come, and we'll let you know how everything turns out. Talk to you soon.
Later on that night,